Full Clipchamp video editing tutorial for beginners free editing course. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you Clipchamp and how you can use this absolutely incredible video editor software for your Windows PC, okay? Now to start things off, you're going to basically download Clipchamp, okay? And to download Clipchamp, what you are going to want to be doing is you're going to go ahead to your Microsoft Store. And in your Microsoft Store, you're going to obviously search up Microsoft Clipchamp and you're going to get it right here. Now, once you get this, you're going to install it. Okay, it doesn't take a lot of time to install. And once you've installed it, you're simply going to click on open. And as you can see, it starts it up. Now, when Clipchamp starts up, there's going to be a few things that you're going to need to keep in concentration of working with this, okay? So first off, Clipchamp is a very fun editor to work with, okay? It's great for beginners. It's also great for advanced editors. And if you've used softwares like Premiere Pro, Vegas, or stuff like that before, trust me, this is going to work like an absolute charm for you. So to begin things off, what you're going to be doing is you're going to basically sign in with an account. So if you want to sign in with an account, you can sign in with different things like your Gmail. You can sign in with your Microsoft account, anything you want. Okay, I'm going to use my Gmail. Okay, as you can see, I've clicked on Gmail and it's going to load me into my simple sign in Gmail stuff. So once this is done, we're going to wait for it to take us into the actual activation. Okay, now while this loads up, I'm also going to let you know about the things that Microsoft Clipchamp will provide you, okay? It provides you with different editorial sequences, obviously like the basic trimming, clipping, and stuff. Then it also gives you great presets to work with because it has a template gallery, a template preset gallery, which works amazingly. So it says, what sort of videos bring you to Clipchamp? So obviously, education, content, business, corporate, or personal. So it depends on, whichever way or whichever process brought you to this. So I'm simply going to go ahead with content. It says, what kind of content creator are you? So I'm simply going to go with you can go with any of these. Yeah, I'm just going to go ahead with other, just not to be confined in one simple space. Now here, this is your dashboard. Okay, this is your Clipchamp dashboard where you're going to start working with things. So here it says create a new video from scratch, okay, or create a video with AI. Now, the best part about AI is you can quickly auto-compose a video using your own media. So I'm going to get into that in a bit. For now, I'm going to go ahead and start a new video from scratch. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you here. So this is your timeline. Now in your timeline, you're first of all going to go ahead and import some media. So to import media, I'm going to go into my video section. In this section, as you can see, I have a lot of videos that I can edit. So let's say I'm going to go ahead with this one right here. Okay, we have this video, or you can even go with I'm going to go ahead. Yeah, there we go. So this is a video that I recorded of a live performance. I'm going to go ahead and upload this into my timeline. And as you can see, once it's uploaded, you can simply drop it over here. So just drag it, drop it, and here you go. Now, once this is done, you can see the video starts playing. I'm just going to reduce the volume for now. So as you can see, you can also guide along the video. Now, to start things off, first of all, you also have the feature for recording create where you can record an audio over it, okay? So obviously you're just gonna choose your mic, then you have a coach, which is a speaker coach. So you can actually bring a recording over it. So let's say, okay, so this is me talking and this will create a voiceover layer over the actual video that I have. So once you do this, you can hear it out. Okay, so this is me talking and this will create a voiceover layer over the actual video that I have. So once you have this, you can actually go ahead and save and edit this and add it onto the layer that you're actually editing. And in the same way, you can record yourself on a camera, record your screen. You can also create text to speech, okay? So text to speech is basically their AI where you can write any text and convert it to speech, which is also a pretty incredible feature in my opinion. So Moving on, then you have content library, where you can go ahead and add different features, elements, stickers, and all other types of stuff that Clipchamp provides you into the video. So let's say you have a collection of these things. So you have music that you can add. Moving on, you have different stickers and effects. So let's say I want to add these stickers over here, these graphic stickers, right? So I'm going to add it over here in the video. It starts importing it, and you can actually start editing it, add it like this and stuff, whatever you want. Then moving on, you also get different templates to make the video with, okay? So let's say I want to make a YouTube-esque video. You get templates for YouTube-esque videos. So yeah, this is the basic, you could say, media library stuff. You have transitions, where let's say if I split this video over here, and I'm going to go ahead and quickly add a transition right here. You can see if I go back here, we're going to wait for it to transition. And it basically crossfades into another section if you make it do that. You can also choose the duration of the crossfade, how long it lasts, how much you want it to look. You can also add different things like circular wipe, okay? So edit this transition, add a certain circular wipe if you want to. So there's different transitions and shifts that you can add. Then you have branding kit, where you can add your own fonts, your own color schemes, your own styling, whatever you want. It's all accessible, all right? Then moving on, if you want to edit the components of your video, like let's say I want to edit this section so you have the volume, you can actually detach the audio and add your very own audio over it. Again, add fade-ins and fade-outs into the video. So let's say it fades in like this if I bring it here. So you can see the video faded in. You can add different filters into your actual video. Like let's say you can add a retro filter. You have orange and teal. You have golden hour, vibrant vlogger, 35mm effect, fall. You have old Western effects. Whatever you want, it's all doable. Then moving on, you can come to effects, like you can add flashes. There's the VHS effect, chromatic aberration, which looks pretty cool with this video. So look at that. You can actually increase the intensity like that. So look at how cool this stuff looks. Then you can also go ahead and do color grading, which is the best part about Clipchamp. Its color grading is pretty incredible. Okay, you can color grade it to whatever type you want. Change its saturation if you want to. You have the temperatures and all. Then you have transparency. Also different blend modes. So let's say I'm going to do that. And look at how much that actually changed the video. So these are the type of things that you're going to want to work with when you're using Clipchamp to edit different things, okay? So once you've done your video, give it a name by giving it a title. So let's say I'm going to call it that. Once you've given it a name, click on export, choose your quality, okay? And once you choose your quality, from there, you are going to finally have a video. So that is basically Clipchamp. Okay. And again, as I stated, there's also stuff you can create without actually going into the editing. You can actually drop the media that you want to be in a video, add its title, give it styling, length, and it's going to basically create the video for you. So yeah, that's pretty much about it when it comes to Clipchamp. Now, if you enjoyed watching this video, please do make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make more for you. Till then, that's all from me. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.